Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best heat press machine on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. WtSFWf Heat Press Machine. This high-pressure HPM is specially designed for small business or home. It will be a good choice for you to start your own business. It is 2D thermal transfer printer. It can be used to transfer image and pattern on t-shirts, caps, tote bags, cell phone cases, mugs, mousepad, coasters and other thermal transfer media. It is also a perfect gift for your families, friends or business partners. Number 4. RubySub Street 4050B Heat Press Machine. This is a multifunctional heat press machine with a 40 cm x 50 cm heating bed. It is designed to heat the screen, print t-shirts, bags, puzzles, glasses, beer glasses, mugs, and a variety of other products. The product is made from high-quality stainless steel, aluminum, copper and plastic, and has a durable overall structure. This heat machine is equipped with a heat-resistant cover to protect the heat-resistant cover when printing. Number 3. VEVOR 3038 Heat Press Machine. VEVOR Heat Press Machine is designed with a strong yet lightweight design and is very easy to use. It is suitable for printing on shirts, hats, plates, bottle, etc. The heat press machine is what you need to print your own design or logo on t-shirt, glass, mug, plate, bottle. It is easy to operate and easy to set up. The sublimated heat press machine is perfect for both beginners and professionals. Number 2. SHUOHAO Combo Heat Press Machine. The SHUOHAO 15-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine is a multifunctional machine with all the necessary functions for your t-shirt business, whether it's for personal or commercial use. It is made of high-quality aluminum alloy and anodized surface, and it is easy to operate. It's suitable for your business if you want to print your own t-shirts, caps, mugs, bottles, shoes, and so on. Number 1. RubySub RB501 Heat Press Machine. The brand new RB501 is a 15-in-1 combo multifunctional sublimation heat press machine that can burn, print and transfer images onto various kinds of materials including t-shirts, fabrics, leather, wood, acrylic, tiles, and so on. The digital temperature display can be set up to 10 levels between 80 and 320 dot, and there is a flashlight available for you to see the object clearly in the dark. With this professional heat press machine, you can easily print your own unique t-shirt. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.